How successful businesses keep an eye on market shifts to survive and grow. Stagnation can be daunting, often rooted in not adapting to industry shifts due to inadequate market research, overlooking competitors, lack of agility, and slow decision making. But there's a silver lining. This Survive framework will guide you through the 7 practical steps to overcome these barriers and spark growth in your manufacturing venture. Let's turn these challenges into opportunities for success. Wait, are you sure you're exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at How Frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth one smart decision at a time.